Hi, my name is Moritz, and the question we're answering today is, are PCBs the better cables? Well, obviously cables are really good cables, but we are looking into one specific use case where PCBs might actually be a better fit for power and signal transmission, and that's split flip displays. They look so nice when they're changing the letters and the words, but you know what also really matters a lot? The back. So if you turn that one around, you'll actually see how clean it looks in this design iteration. And that's to a big part due to the connectors used here. Before I used those connectors, it kind of looked like this in the beginning, you know, different cables, different connectors. And I also thought like the bigger the cable, the better the project, which didn't turn out to be true. So at one point I discovered from JST, it's a company doing connectors, a very neat board-to-board connection model. So you have like one side that goes on the main PCB board and the other side that goes on the connector board. What you basically do is you take then two single PCB modules and you just slap a connector board on top of them and they're connected. So you don't need any crimping, you don't need any cables. It looks very nice, and it's also quite cost effective. Like the PCBs are quite cheap. If you look at it on the finished module, this is kind of like how they go together. They're standing upright, they have the PCB mounted in the back, and you simply press in the connector board. This is how it's looking like on the finished assembly. You, again, just take the connector, you press it in, and that's pretty much it. The connection is established and power and signal is being transmitted. So can PCBs replace cables? Of course not, but in a specific use case, I think they can.